hey, when we have 2 points and we want to calculate the slope and the slope intercept, there is a conventional way. So it will be always the same way. So the slope in those cases are m equals to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. So then we go y2, 2 minus y1, 6 over x2, 4 minus x1, 2. If you do this math, 2 minus 6 is negative 4 divided by 2, we get our slope negative 2. So then we have, let me make this smaller, have the equation y equals negative 2x plus b. But we don't know what b is. So then what we do is we take this equation, y equals negative 2x plus b, then we pick one of the 2 points, we plug in the y and the x in there, and then we find b. So let's pick 2 and 6. So y is 6, then negative 2 times the x is 2 plus b. So 6 equals, that's going to be negative 4 plus b. Then we have to add 4 on both sides because we can cross this. So 6 plus 4 is 10, then b will be equals 10. Does that make sense? So then we can go and say, hey, the equation will be y equals negative 2x plus 10. That is the equation. Mr. Paulo, this is, I don't know if I can memorize that. Well, you can, but if you think it's very complicated, what I like doing is I create a table. So xy and xy. So we can do the point 2, 6 and the point 4, 2. And this is x, this is y. What's happening with the y is decreasing. It's going to be y over x. You saw the video with the table. If not, go back and watch SBAC 1. Decreasing by 4. This increases. They're doing the opposite, yes, so we know the slope will be negative because one increases, the other decreases. That goes by 4. We don't have to worry about the sign anymore. So that will be 4. That goes by 2. So the slope is going to be negative 2. Oh my gosh, yes. Now we have y equals negative 2x. Now we need to find b. Remember that b, when we have the dream table, the dream table is when we have x equals to 0. Let me say, Paulo, we don't have it, but we can go back. So x increases by 2. If we go back 2, we go to 0. But y is decreasing by 4. What we need to do is we need to go up by 4. So then we have the 10. When x is 0, we have the y-intercept b. So then we can just come and plug in here. So this is our equation. I showed you 2 ways. When it's given 2 points, you can find the slope and the slope intercept equation. Thank you for watching that.